Coaching is far more than just simply giving advice. It's about observing, about listening, about looking at how you can ask the right questions that help promote self-discovery. You see, that's where the learning happens. When an employee discovers for themselves something new about themselves or about the process, that's where your investment multiplies. And that's going to be good for them, it's going to be good for you, and it's going to be good for the business. If your employees know that you're committed to helping them get to their next job, in the job they're in, you're looking for the skills that will help develop them, they're going to want to do more for you. They're going to want to do more with you. And coaching just isn't about the current project. This investment will last on through multiple projects and throughout your organization. And here's a key to coaching that I want you to think about. Coaching is not a one-time thing. Coaching is not something you go on the floor to do. You look at somebody, or you bring somebody into your office and you talk with them about, a circumstance, and then you never circle back. You never talk to them again about that. Coaching is an ongoing thing that has a rhythm to it, that you set up a cadence, that you meet with them on a regular basis, that they know that you're investing your time, effort, and energy in helping them grow and develop. When an employee feels coached and not just managed, they're going to give you more discretionary effort. They're going to want to engage more with you. They're going to want to learn and listen. They're going to want to hear what you have to say because they know that you've got their best interest in mind. And that's important in your relationship with your staff. So here's my call to action. Over the next 7 days, I want you to observe some of your staff and find one or two that you really feel has untapped potential that you want to coach. Look for that person who will benefit from the coaching, not somebody who's not performing well. That's performance management. I'm talking about somebody who maybe is doing really well and you want to take them to the next level. Those are the ones that really will benefit from coaching. Here's some questions that you can ask yourself when you're thinking about coaching somebody. What strengths do they already have that I can help develop further? Where can they grow through my support? What experiences can I bring and share with them that will help them relate to what I have to share and how they can gain from that experience? How can I leverage their work today to help them prepare for the job they want tomorrow? That's a big question. Here's an activity that I used to do over the years. As I've said in the past, I keep a journal and have kept a journal for many years. In my leadership journal, I would actually write down coaching notes. I would write down, after I spent time with somebody, something that I learned about them, something that they learned about me, or that I learned about me, something that we could share as a common goal and good. I would ask myself, what can I do differently next time I engage with that person? Was the message I was giving received with the intent that I wanted to give it? Was I able to draw something out of that individual that they didn't know, either about themselves or about the work processes? Over time, you'll refine your coaching style based on what you're observing about your own style. And it's okay to ask them for feedback about the way you're coaching. I think that builds trust. You're not just getting tasks done. You're developing people. You're investing not only in people, but in your organization's future and culture. You're building trust. You're improving performance. You're driving engagement. You're tapping into a discretionary effort. All of those things are the benefits of good coaching. When you're coaching with intention, you're unlocking somebody's potential. And there's no greater reward as a leader than doing that. Because when you do that, you're not just building a better culture. You're developing a champion of continuous improvement. If you like this video, make sure you give me a thumbs up. Make sure you hit the subscribe button and add a comment. I answer every single comment. Thanks for watching.